Here is a general roadmap for becoming an iOS developer. Learn the basics of programming. Before diving into iOS development, it's important to have a solid understanding of programming concepts such as variables, loops, and functions. Learn Swift. Swift is the programming language used for iOS development. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the basics of the language. Get familiar with Xcode. Xcode is the development environment for iOS, and it's where you'll be spending most of your time as an iOS developer. Learn iOS development basics. Learn about the iOS development process, including how to create a basic user interface, work with data, and create basic interactions. Build your first app. Create a simple app to get a feel for the development process and to start building a portfolio of work. Learn more advanced iOS development techniques. Learn about more advanced iOS development techniques such as working with APIs, creating custom controls, and working core data. Practice, practice, practice. The more practice you get, the better you'll become as an iOS developer. Continue to build more apps and work on more complex projects. Keep learning. The field of iOS development is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date on new technologies and best practices. It's important to note that this is a general roadmap, and your mileage may vary depending on your background and time. The key is to be consistent, practice, and to keep learning new things.